Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to adjust tracking speed on Macbook. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Anyone who uses a Macbook in combination with the mouse instead of a trackpad will want to increase mouse tracking speed or Magic Mouse. Somehow, Apple Magic Mouse tracking speed is too slow even if you increase it to the maximum that system allows. So now what if you want to adjust? You want to make it faster or slower on your MacBook? It's so simple. So first of all, you can open your system preferences on your MacBook. Now you can go to Trackpad section. In here, you can click on Trackpad. And here you can find there is an option tracking speed on the point and click section. Here you can just adjust your tracking speed. If you want to make your tracking speed slower, you can adjust to left like this, or you want to make it faster, you can adjust to right like this. I will choose here in the middle. You can also see in here on this section, you can see the demo the shortcut, how to use your trackpad on your MacBook in here, like the gestures, the shortcut gestures. It's so simple, right? So that is how to adjust tracking speed on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.